क्या हो गया? अनुराग कश्यप को जानते हैं सर आप?
मैं उनका 5-6 बार कर चुका हूँ.
अरे वाह, क्या?
They should go after silver medals. Make a silver condom. They always come second.
What is this? Stroker. Like for this?
Okay, it's an app, guys.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Bold Rahul. Today is an iconic shoot. We're just going to do like a quick morning routine of my breakfast / protein shake. Talk about what we're going to do today and then get to it.
ऊपर कर वो वेला वेला उस बोल चल वो चेला चेला करूँ तेरे घर अंधेरा अंधेरा बिखरा प्रेम वो मेरा मेरा उस पर कर वो वेला वेला उस बोल चल वो चेला चेला.
This has 65 grams of protein and I know it's going to taste horrible, but it's a good source of protein to have because I don't know what kind of food I'll be eating at the shoot. I don't know what kind of food I should be eating at the shoot. So I'm just going to not eat a lot, just eat the basics and just stick to my whey protein because protein is important. Okay, so I'm a protein ready, I'm a bag ready, I'm everything ready. It's time to head to the shoot.
Turn my headphone down a little bit. Yeah.
So today what we're going to do is we're shooting 2 reels with Samay for our page Bold Care, where I think we have a couple of crazy ideas lined up. But yeah, anyway, you would have seen the ad by now, I hope, and that is what we're going to go shoot today. So we're getting Samay, we're getting Anurag Kashyap to come direct the ad and also be part of the ad, which is pretty cool. So I'm excited for it. This is an idea that we've been working on with Samay for about like 2-3 weeks now. Last week only we punched up all the jokes, so it's like a tight script right now. Extremely funny. There are 3 jokes in that I absolutely love. Yeah, so it'll be damn fun. Hello, what's up? Are you excited for the shoot?
Yeah.
This is Banu, who's our director.
Hey man, how are
This is
you?
the BTS vlog that we're doing for our
Nice.
YouTube channel.
Nice. Let's have a good shoot.
Yeah. Awkward हो जाते हो आप कैमरा पे. Dude, when I came here for like Tech Reiki, this is what I'm saying. This is the magic of production. When I came the last time, it was like a completely different area, but now it's just transformed into an insane space. Like how many cities are you hitting?
Main cities, bro. 7 cities.
That's it.
That's more than enough, bro. I'm doing six shows in each city.
Oh fuck. Oh, I saw Delhi ke sare 6 shows got sold out in like.
Every show got sold out in an hour.
Delhi is like the stadium, no? The Calcutta, or JLN Stadium.
No. Mumbai is the stadium, the NSCI ground.
Sorry.
And Delhi, where?
Delhi is a 2,700 seater. We've sold it 6 times.
Do you enjoy being on set? Do you enjoy the whole production process?
Why not? Bhai? That's what I was dreaming always. Especially that I've written the script. It's even more fun
Yeah.
to see it come to life.
The jokes landing. Dude,
Yeah.
the delay joke should land.
दोस्तों पेश है बोल्ड केयर के अल्ट्रा थिन ढीले कॉन्डम्स. अनुराग कश्यप को जानते हैं सर आप? अनुराग कश्यप क्या जानते हो क्या?
एक्टर है, प्रोड्यूसर है और अपना डायरेक्टर है.
हाँ
मैं उनका 5-6 बार कर चुका हूँ.
अरे वाह, क्या?
मेकअप
ओके.
मेकअप ही किया सिर्फ.
अब सर बदला मत ले लेना सर. सर आई लव यू. मैं बस मजाक कर रहा था यार.
राजकुमार राव के शॉर्ट फिल्म में.
अरे यार ये मत बोलो यार. सर आपसे बेटर कोई है नहीं आदमी दुनिया में.
कोर्टिंग करियर बर्बाद कर दिया. इतने करियर बर्बाद कर दिया.
मैंने कभी की.
आज मुझे डुबाएगा.
कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है तू. फर्स्ट क्लास लग रहा है. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कुछ हुआ है.
He has a great idea. He goes.
ऐसे see कि Indian women ना, they love gold
Okay.
and they always go after gold medalists. That's why they are sexually dissatisfied. They should go after silver medals. Make a silver condom. They always come second.
Okay.
सिल्वर कॉन्डम बना भाई.
How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave?
What is this?
Stroker.
Like for this?
Shoot's going quite well. The photo shoot was Am I too zoomed in? No. The shoot's going quite well. The photo shoot, crazy pictures that you can just see there. I think they've come out really well. Now we're just waiting. Now we're just waiting to start the main reel. I think we should be able to wrap this by 5 p.m. The magic of filmmaking.
हेल्दी खाना खा के तू मतलब मसलमैन बन जाएगा.
वरना बोर्ड के यूज करना पड़ेगा ना.
भाई तो इतना मसलमैन कितना भी मसलमैन बन जाए, सरकार का मसल ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ये भी कैंसिल होगा फिर मैं.
और कितना होगा?
You can't get further cancelled somewhere.
Now finally I understand which jokes to give and which not to give. आपको सामने से तो गया मैं. You instead of having bold care have some vitamin C also. आँख किससे सही रहता है? विटामिन सी से रहता है?
नहीं, गाजर खाने से.
हाँ वो खाओ.
ठीक है.
और 10 किलो कम करने हैं अभी. वही है.
बोल्ड केयर कॉन्डोम barely there but
You have to just
bold care.
You are like
So thin you won't even feel like you're lying. And there he has best delay condom as well.
इतना
इतना लंबा चलेगा, इतना लंबा चलेगा, इतना लंबा चलेगा.
सर आपकी शादी जितना चलेगा क्या?
तेरे शो से लंबा चलेगा.
तेरे शो से तो ज़्यादा ही चलेगा.
तेरे शो से तो ज़्यादा ही.
I know you like it, but still गले पे नहीं मारते.
नहीं पेट.
आराम से ज़्यादा टाइट नहीं.
ऐसा ना हो कि मेरे बोबे बाहर आ जाए.
पता है बस अभी कुछ दिन पहले आपका कॉमिक्सतान का एक सेट रिविजिट कर रहा था.
कौन सा वाला?
आई एम सॉरी लॉरी, आई कॉल्ड योर मदर.
आधी चीज़ें सारी सच है. 2000 का नोट बंद हो गया, मैं जेल चला गया सर की वजह से.
आपको पैर स्ट्रेट रखने. हाउ यू सिटिंग ऑन कमोड. ओके बांधो, काटो इसको पहले.
ऐसे बोल्ड केयर कॉन्डोम. अच्छा यहाँ पे. हाँ. Even for the biggest dick. कॉन्डोम में कवर कर.
I just can't. All the love they gave me knew that it was fake. Mama loved me so much either way.
Do you think AI से मूवी बनेगी एक दिन जल्द? आप बनाओगे सर AI से मूवी?
मैं ना.
क्यों?
नहीं यार. मैं तो चैट जीपीटी नहीं यूज करता.
Should have been with Chase. Started at the bottom, the trenches, the gutter, so I had to go a little harder. Straight up, lights was out, the gas was out, so we.
बोल्ड केयर कॉन्डम्स. अनुराग कश्यप. अनुराग के 2 आगे कॉन्डम, अनुराग के 2 पीछे कॉन्डम, अनुराग के 2 आजू कॉन्डम, अनुराग के 2 बाजू कॉन्डम, अनुराग के काजू में कॉन्डम, अनुराग के काजू में कॉन्डम. वाह, कॉन्डम में काजू. वापस करना पड़ेगा ये.
बहुत बढ़िया. ये बहुत बढ़िया.
इसको हार्ड कर रहा हूँ. हम कश्मीरियों को वैसे भी हर जगह से निकाल देते हैं.
पंचलाइन.
सर जी हो गया अपना हो गया ना. चलो सर सी यू मेरे भाई. हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम. सी यू भाई.
And then they're all. What a fucking amazing shoot! This was, I think, one of the best shoots I've ever been a part of. Anurag sir was insane, as usual. Super funny, super energetic, and he was just like running the whole set. So overall, 10 on 10 shoot. Can't wait for this. I mean, the film should already be out by the time this vlog comes out, but can't wait for this film to come out, do great numbers. Like, share and subscribe to this vlog, so we'll keep creating more behind the scenes content of what we are doing. We are going to be investing a lot in doing content with Samay, in doing content with Ranveer as well, and we'll keep bringing you BTS vlogs like this a lot more from all our shoots. So subscribe to the channel and see you next time.